International Airport, or actually Heathrow, and about to get on the tube, they call it. They call it, even though the train sometimes is above ground. Anyway, so I'm here, and it's very intimidating to go on the train, but just do it. And you just buy a thing called an Oyster card, and then you get on. So I'm gonna pack up here because I'm gonna be around a lot of people, and wish you the best of luck. I have a lot of exits and turns and stuff. Luckily somebody helped me through that, and also you can fill it out online to try to get help to figure it out. It's cold, it's March. I have this little like fanny pack thing that's like amazing, because I guess there's a lot of thieves, pickpocketers. Never have your backpack on your back. So I'm here, and if you ever want to do a trip by yourself, do it. Like, because why not? You know, you get to see stuff that you wanted to anyways. And I ran into another girl at the airport who was doing the same thing. But if you're handicapped, like Europe might be, or London might be a little hard. They actually shut down an area where you're doing a lift because, okay, so they call it a lift, and it's just their elevator there. And so that was shut down in different spots. And I'm like, how does handicapped people, you know, get up and down these steps? Because I'm sitting here like a diva with like the most heaviest bags ever, and I have two of them, a pink one over there too. Yeah, so like it's so heavy, it's like freaking ridiculous. So anyways, so I had to carry those up that. You want to take one? Thank you. Alright. Okay, that's how we do. Thank you so much. Alright. I guess I stopped the lift things that everywhere. Oh, there's not. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Right. I'm like, this is gonna be challenging. All right, cool. I wonder how handicapped people do it. Thank you. And also, in this hotel that I'm at, it's the Prince something. I got changed. The Royal Eagle Hotel. They switched me. Look at the stairwells and tell me how a handicapped person would go up this. So here's me in this hallway. It's so little. I had to carry my stuff out with this suitcase up this. So I get off the elevator and I'm like, what? Like what? How would a handicapped person do this? So, yeah. Anyways, elevator. And da 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 da. I can't do it. I'm dragging. And anyways, I had to do that 2 times because my suitcases were so heavy. I got worn out. I got my exercise in today, but just packing like a diva. It is what it is. So I'm gonna do that. Peace out. morning. I got pretty lost. The tube thing's pretty confusing, but it's the cheapest way. I would say plan it out first before you come all your destinations, which I did. I have an itinerary, so I'm gonna go back and make sure I plan it out everywhere I go. Yeah, public transportation, it's really fun.